Fruit crumble recipe. Yield, 4 to 6 servings. Prep time, 5 to 7 minutes. Cooking time, 10 to 15 minutes. Total time, 25 minutes. Ingredients: 6 cups of fruit, chopped. 1 cup 90 grams rolled oats GF if preferred. 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters melted coconut oil. 1 tablespoon 15 grams brown sugar. 1 teaspoon 5 grams cinnamon. Directions: 1. Preheat the oven to 180 C 350 F. 2. Divide your fruit into ramekins, or place into a large baking dish. 3. In a bowl, combine the oats, melted coconut oil, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Mix to combine, then spoon over the cut fruit. 4. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes until juices are bubbly, the oatmeal is golden brown, and the fruit are tender. 5. Remove from oven, let cool for a few minutes before serving. Top with plant yogurt, vegan ice cream, or coconut whip. Enjoy! Notes: 6. We used 3 medium-sized peaches, 2 pears, and 3 cups of fresh mixed berries. 7. Storage: store-baked crumble in the fridge in an airtight container for up to 2 days. Enjoy cold or warm in the microwave. 8. Variations: we tried this recipe with pears, strawberries, rhubarb, peaches, and mixed berries. It would go well with nectarines, cherries, apples, or other pit fruits. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For more informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.